How to fix touchpad or trackpad not working after updating to Windows 11. 1. Update your touchpad's driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 3. Enable the touchpad by disabling internal pointing device when external USB pointing device is attached in Windows 11 settings. Path, settings Bluetooth and devices mouse related settings additional mouse settings. Plan B, resetting the touchpad. Settings. 4. Enable the Microsoft Keyboard Filter Service. 5. Downgrade to Windows 10.